Why sync Trello with your calendar?
Integrating Trello with your calendar helps you visualize tasks alongside other commitments. This connection allows for better planning and ensures you never miss deadlines. Whether you use Google Calendar, Outlook, or Apple Calendar, a sync keeps all your important tasks and events in one easy-to-access location. Let's explore how to set up this useful workflow.
Getting ready. What you need.
Before you start, make sure you have access to your Trello board and your preferred digital calendar. Most integrations work with Google Calendar, Outlook, and Apple Calendar. You'll also need permission to modify board settings in Trello. No paid accounts are required for basic syncing, as Trello's Calendar Power-Up is free for individual users.
Enabling the Trello Calendar Power-Up.
Start by adding the Calendar Power-Up to your Trello board. Open your Trello board, click on Power-Ups in the menu. Then search for and enable the Calendar Power-Up. This will let you view your cards with due dates in a calendar format within Trello, a crucial step before syncing with your external calendar.
Finding and copying your iCal feed link.
To link Trello with your external calendar, you need your board's iCal feed URL. In the calendar view, find the settings icon and click Enable Sync. Copy the iCalendar feed link that appears. This unique link allows other calendar platforms to pull in Trello cards with due dates as events.
Syncing with Google, Outlook, or Apple Calendar.
Paste the iCal feed link into your chosen calendar app. In Google Calendar, click the plus sign to add by URL. In Outlook, use Add Calendar and choose From Internet. For Apple Calendar, go to File, then New Calendar Subscription. Once added, Trello cards with due dates will appear automatically in your calendar.
Keeping your workflow organized.
With Trello and your calendar linked, updates are seamless. Whenever you add or change due dates in Trello, these changes will reflect in your calendar automatically, usually within a few hours. This integration helps you plan better, avoid overlaps, and stay on top of all your tasks with ease.